If your dry lotion's not your jam, you want a cream. Are you tired of taking your socks off in the winter and making it snow with all that dry skin falling off? Yes, that's most of us in the winter months. I'm Dr. Aleksandra Brown. I'm a board certified dermatologist and welcome back to my channel. Winter weather can really do a number on your skin, especially on your body. Dry, flaky, itchy, irritation, they all become more common, more pronounced in the winter months, and this is mostly because temperature drops, humidity drops, and then combine that with the fact that we age, skin loses ability to keep the moisture in, and then this shows up in extra dry, flaky, itchy skin. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about winter skincare for your body, how to prevent dry skin, what products you should and should not be using, and then some of my favorite dermatologist-approved tips for keeping your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated all season long. So if you're tired of feeling like a lizard or making it snow in your own house, this video is for you. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. The winter season brings a unique set of challenges on our skin. So temperatures dropping, the air loses humidity, which means that there's less moisture in the air to hydrate your skin. Combine that with the fact that most of us are turning on our heat, which further dries out the air, and it's a recipe for dehydrated, flaky skin. Our body, especially areas like our hands, elbows, lower legs, and feet, are particularly vulnerable because it tends to have fewer oil glands compared to your facial skin. This makes the skin prone to cracking, irritation, and even conditions like eczema, especially during colder months. So understanding why winter affects your skin so much is the first step towards fixing it. First things first, you want to hang on to all the oil that your skin is making. So when you hop in the shower, yes, hot shower feels amazing during winter, but it can and will strip the oils from your skin, your natural oils, leaving it dry, irritated. Instead, consider lukewarm water and keeping your shower under 10 minutes. These tips will help protect your barrier and keep your natural skin oils in so your skin is not as likely to get dry. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you here. I love hot showers and they're not always under 10 minutes. So let's say you're like me and you're like, the hot shower is gonna happen and it's gonna be long. Let's look into some other tips you can try to help minimize that dryness that you just did yourself. Another common mistake that you do in the shower is scrubbing your entire body with a cleanser. You don't need to soap up every square inch of your skin every single day to consider yourself clean. You really want to get the stinky parts like underarms, groin, your feet, areas that really need it. Of course, make sure you wash your face, especially if you wore makeup, but for you to actually go scrubbing your forearm if you worked indoors all day or didn't even break a sweat is really unnecessary. Now, if you worked outside and you got dirty, or if you had a heavy workout and you were sweaty, sure. But for the most of us working day jobs in the office, gentle cleanser, really on the stinky body parts, underarms, groin, feet is all you need during the shower. All right, the next step is which body wash and how do you pick body wash. You guys already know this is coming. Dove for sensitive skin is amazing. It's designed to gently cleanse and pamper sensitive skin, making it ideal choice for winter body care. Unlike some of the ordinary soaps and shower gels, it's rich, creamy, combines Dove's signature Moisture Renew blend with its mildest ingredients, ensuring it nourishes deeply without causing any irritation. This formula is also pH balanced. It's enriched with plant-based moisturizers and skin natural nutrients that absorb into the top layers of the skin, leaving your skin feeling really soft, smooth, and hydrated. Not only does it effectively cleanse the body, it's also a great option for washing your hands. If you find your hands to crack in the winter months, it provides hydration and care while cleaning. Its versatility and ability to balance the skin's moisture levels make it a must-have product, particularly during the harsh winter months when the skin is prone to dryness and irritation. Some key ingredients here are things like glycerin. You guys know I love glycerin. This is a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin, ensuring it stays soft, smooth, and hydrated, even in harsh winter months. Next ingredient is hydrogenated soybean oil. This is really rich in essential fatty acids. These oils provide deep hydration and help support the skin's natural barrier, making them ideal for sensitive and dry skin. Also contains citric acid, which helps balance the pH of the formula, ensuring it's a gentle, sensitive skin while maintaining the natural barrier. Next product recommendation here is La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Gentle Cleansing Oil. This is that clear bottle with the yellow stuff in it. I love this cleanser. This really foams up a little bit better than the Dove cleanser. It foams up great. It's good for face and body, so you can remove makeup and wash your whole body with it. It provides deep hydration while doing a great job cleansing. and provides 24-hour hydration. The formula is really gentle oil to foam body and face cleanser for really dry or extra dry sensitive skin. It leaves the skin feeling soft and supple. It also helps protect skin from the harsh drying effects of water, helps to prevent loss of hydration over time. Some key ingredients here are things like Roche-Posay thermal spring water. This is a soothing water sourced from a town in France called La Roche-Posay, and a core ingredient in most of their products. It contains a unique combination of minerals, trace elements, and high concentration of selenium, which is a natural antioxidant. It also contains a little bit of shea butter. This is sustainably sourced in Burkina Faso. Formulas with shea butter help restore barrier and help skin feel soothed. It also contains niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3. It's a water-soluble vitamin. It's used in dermatology everywhere and known for its soothing properties, but it also helps restore skin's moisture barrier and visibly fades discoloration. Glycerin is another ingredient. This is derived from vegetable sources. It's an excellent humectant. It keeps skin hydrated by absorbing water from the surrounding environment. My next cleanser in this category is the Prequel cleanser. This one's kind of similar to the Roche-Posay in the sense that it's really foamy. It comes out creamy, but it turns into foam really quick. It's suitable for face and body. So if you're one of those people who just wants all-in-one, this is another great one. It's a non-stripping glycerin cleanser for the face and body. It has 50% glycerin, inulin, and unique aquaphor stimulating active to boost skin suppleness. This skin softening humectant-rich glycerin cleanser effectively removes makeup, excess oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's natural moisture barrier and its pH. It's really good for dry, sensitive skin. It's perfect for those looking for a minimal yet effective body and face skincare routine. Key ingredients here are 50% glycerin. This is a powerhouse humectant that draws water into the skin, improves hydration, and enhances elasticity, as well as supports the skin's barrier. It also contains a little bit of arginine, which is a naturally occurring amino acids in the skin's natural moisturizing factor. And it provides long-lasting hydration, reduces the dryness by adhering to the skin with its cationic charge. Another ingredient here is oat extract. It's a calming and soothing ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce irritation and supports a balanced, healthy skin barrier. Also contains aloe, which is a natural humectant that will calm and comfort the skin and work on enhancing the elasticity and balancing moisture levels, making it ideal for dry or reactive skin. Now, I'm talking about all these products that are foaming, hydrating, good for your skin, non-scented, but if you're somebody who's like, I want to smell good, let me tell you, the Naturium Glow Getter Body Oil, it is soft, soothing, hydrating, smells divine. You've got to try it. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you'd want to avoid fragrances, it's not your jam, I get that. But this body oil is very similar to the La Roche-Posay oil in this consistency. I have not used it on the face, but for the body, it is so foaming, so hydrating, and it feels very luxurious. And another more of a staple in America, if you will, is Oil of Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash. And while it does have fragrance, it does also contain petrolatum to lock in the moisture. So if you want some little scent, little spice in the shower, and you want to smell good, but don't want to dry out your skin, this is another one to try. Again, word of caution, if you have really sensitive skin, you're sensitive to fragrances, I would avoid the last two. Okay, so you've showered and you might think, oh, I'm doing so good. I used a hydrating body cleanser. My shower wasn't too hot or too long. I'm done. No, it just now begins. Soon as you get out of the shower, you have to moisturize. Not only does it matter what you moisturize with, it also matters when you moisturize. You have 3 minutes from getting out of the shower to apply moisturizer on damp skin, yes, damp skin, to seal all that moisture in. If you wait till you're making it snow and flaking like a lizard, it is too late, my friends. So when you get out of the shower, use your towel, pat dry. Don't scrub it really hard, don't dry completely, and then apply moisturizer. For normal skin, CeraVe Cetaphil lotion is fine, so pick things that say lotions. Now, we're talking about dry skin. If you're dry, you want to pick a cream. So read the label. I often have patients come in and say, yeah, I use hand cream. Meanwhile, they're using lotions, Jergen lotions or something like that. Lotion is runny, lighter, good for oily skin. If your dry lotion's not your jam, you want a cream. So my first product recommendation in this category that you're going to apply to damp skin within 3 minutes of getting out of the shower is going to be CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. CeraVe cream is packed with ceramides which restore and repair the skin barrier, also contains hyaluronic acid, acid, which will attract and retain moisture, contains dimethicone, which helps condition the skin, improves softness and flexibility, has a little bit of petrolatum in it, which is formulated to relieve dry, flaky, and irritated skin, and also creates a physical barrier on the skin surface that helps trap that moisture in and prevent any sort of transepidermal water loss. My next product recommendation here is the cousin of CeraVe, which is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. They're like Pepsi and Coke to me. You might or might not have a preference for one or the other brand. I like and use both myself. Some of the benefits of CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is that it soothes and hydrates sensitive skin with a rich, fast-absorbing formula. It contains glycerin, which moisturizes and softens the skin. It has a little bit of vitamin B5, which will hydrate and soothe and preserve the skin barrier. Also contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3 to help smooth skin texture and retain skin moisture barrier. In this category, I would also mention La Roche-Posay AP plus Lipikar cream. Unlike the other two which come in a jar, the La Roche-Posay cream comes with a pump, but it is truly a cream. So if you have a different delivery method and you prefer cream and you still want something thick that's not in a jar, this is another good one. Another good cream that comes with a pump is a Vanicream. So those are just some options to consider here that are all creams, all good, all fragrance free. I'll make sure I'll link them below. If your skin is extra dry and you just don't feel like after you apply this moisturizer on it's enough, consider applying a coat of petrolatum on top. These are things like Vaseline, Aquaphor, or CeraVe healing ointment. And Aquaphor even comes in a spray bottle that you can put directly on top of that cream to provide extra protection. It's sealing in that moisture and preventing epidermal water loss. If your skin is extra dry or super flaky and none of this is working for you, consider adding in a moisturizer with urea. Urea is a naturally occurring compound in the skin that plays a critical role in maintaining hydration and exfoliation. It's part of the natural moisturizing factor, which helps the skin retain water and stay smooth. Some of the really good product recommendations here are Glycerin Urea Repair Plus Lotion. It has 10% urea. It gently exfoliates flaky skin while deeply hydrating. It restores the skin barrier and prevents further moisture loss. Glycerin Intensive Repair Lotion contains a unique 3-dimensional formula that's enriched with alpha hydroxy and natural moisturizing factors and moisturizes, exfoliates, and conditions really dry, flaky skin. The key ingredient here is Urea 10% again, which will exfoliate and hydrate all at the same time. Also has ceramides, which will strengthen the skin barrier. My next product recommendation with urea in it is the Prequel Skin Urea Advanced Relief Moisturizing Milk. This is ideal for face and body. It will help soften, smooth, and moisturize, improves dry, rough, flaky skin, and uneven texture. It's really lightweight, absorbs really fast, almost like a silky-like texture. It contains Urea 10%, which will help hydrate and soothe the skin and protect the skin barrier, acts as a humectant and an exfoliant. It's effective in treating dry, rough, and scaly skin conditions. It also contains shea butter, which is a tree nut-derived emollient that moisturizes and visibly improves dry, compromised skin. Also niacinamide or vitamin B3, which will strengthen the skin barrier and soothe the irritation. Other things to consider are moisturizers with lactic acid, such as amlactin, moisturizers with salicylic acid, like CeraVe SA Lotion for rough and bumpy skin, or Cetaphil's Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. La Roche-Posay recently just launched a moisturizer with urea, and so did CeraVe Lotion, and then Gold Bond for extra dry skin with shea butter. Now, if you are having a luxurious night yourself and you want something that just really smells good, but is good for your skin and it's hydrating, I gotta tell you, the Naturium, again, the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Butter is perfect. If you don't mind fragrance on your body, this one is amazing. It combines deep hydration with this luxurious, glowing finish. It's formulated with a blend of linoleic-rich botanical oils, shea butter, glycerin, squalene, and plant-based peptides that help firm skin's appearance for a healthy, hydrated glow. It contains shea butter, rosehip oil, and squalene that will both help nourish, hydrate, and retain the moisture in your skin, as well as enhance the elasticity. And speaking of enhancing elasticity, for mature skin, I also recommend Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. It's formulated with retinol. It promotes smoother, firmer skin, helps with elasticity. It helps minimize appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. In addition, it's hydrating and contains ingredients like retinol, which will help increase cell turnover to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and dullness. It will also help enhance the skin texture for a smoother, more youthful appearance. It has shea butter, which will deeply moisturize and soften the skin. This moisturizer also restores the lipid barrier, locking in hydration and preventing moisture loss. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, which will further hydrate and plump the skin, improve skin elasticity, and vitamins A, C, and E to provide that antioxidant protection to your skin. We're doing good. The shower wasn't too hot. We applied a cream to damp skin, but we need to also make sure we're paying attention to those problem areas like your hands, your elbows, your knees, lower legs and feet. Those areas may require little extra steps. So when I see my patients come in and say their hands are dry and they're applying lotion, I always say apply hand cream. It is extremely important that you use something that says hand cream on them. Hand creams are formulated very differently from lotions. They have ingredients that will penetrate deeper into the skin layers. Our acral skin, the skin in our hands, is much thicker. Plus we use our hands frequently throughout the day, so the hand creams are formulated to stay on your hands longer, therefore work better. My number one recommendation here is the Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Hand Cream. It provides long-lasting hydration with a concentrated, non-greasy formula. It will soothe and repair dry, cracked hands instantly, even with just a small amount of product. It spreads really nice. It's clinically proven to improve the look and feel of dry hands after just one application. Some of the key ingredients here are things like glycerin, which acts as humectant, so it will draw the moisture into the skin and lock it in, leaving the hands feeling soft and smooth. Also contains vitamin B5, which will help soothe irritation and support the skin barrier for long-lasting protection. My next recommendation here is the CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. It is non-greasy, super fast absorbing formula, provides long-lasting hydration and relief for hands that are frequently exposed to washing, cold weather, and environmental irritants. It is completely fragrance-free. It's ideal for sensitive skin. I like using CeraVe hand cream throughout the day in between hand washes, whereas I prefer to use the Neutrogena hand cream at night. The ceramides in the CeraVe hand cream help restore the skin's natural barrier, helping to keep the moisture in and the harmful elements out. It also has dimethicone. This is a really important ingredient that you'll find in hand creams. It helps condition the skin, which will improve its softness and flexibility. Also contains hyaluronic acid, which is essential for maintaining skin's moisture balance, helps give skin a smooth, plump texture. This does have a little bit of niacinamide, which will help calm the skin and reduce the transepidermal water loss and increase moisture in skin's uppermost layer. Now, if your hands are really cracked because you've washed them so many times, consider next time after you wash your hands, immediately after you wash them, you dry them, not completely. On damp hands, you can apply hand cream. So pick one that you like that's fragrance-free. I would probably pick CeraVe or Neutrogena myself. Apply that to your hands. Then on top of that, apply something like Aquaphor. Then get a pair of gloves and put them on and just sit like that for a couple hours or sleep like that. Or if you're busy and you're like, well, I don't have 2 hours to sit, I have work to do. Why don't you just put regular like disposable gloves on and then use your gloves as your second skin and wash the gloves in between whatever you're doing. And then 2 hours later, take your gloves off, try it, let me know what you think. Because it works like a charm for even the deepest cracks and the scaliest hands. The same applies to your body. After you moisturize, if you're super dry, consider applying Vaseline or Aquaphor. Aquaphor comes in a spray bottle too to lock that moisture in. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful. I really love this topic. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll answer them. Winter can be really tough on your skin, but if you have the right routine and you don't mind putting some work into it, you don't have to suffer. Your skin does not have to suffer. You don't have to make it snow next time you take your socks off. Drop your questions and comments below on this or any other topics, or if there's a topic you want me to cover. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at Dr. Aleksandra Brown, and that's Dr. Aleks, no X. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.